Yo, Joe!
Croeso i'r Barri!
So I'm really honoured to be cooking with Barri royalty.
Oh, well, I'm very honoured to be cooking with you. What have you got going on here?
So today, chicken korma.
So with a korma, we can just chuck in all of our food leftovers.
Yes, it's amazing.
Fantastic.
Hanner chips and rice. So today I'm using up onion, cauliflower, coriander, a range of spices. And that's it really, a bit of coconut cream, leftover chicken, 2 carrots. In Wales, we turn food waste into renewable energy.
Really?
Wedi, Cymry, efo gwastraff bwyd.
Oh, that looks so nice.
A hanner efo'r wedges.
But have a go, tell me what you think.
Joe, I hear you know a bit about omelette. So we've got some leftovers here. Obviously, wyau, madarch, caws, dim bach o spinach.
3 eggs?
3 eggs, yeah.
And then our eggshells, we put them in the caddy.
An omelette is a great way of just bringing any leftovers together.
Look at that, it's amazing. My kids always love a dessert. And what can I make that is quick and easy?
Yogurt sundae. It's a great way of using yogurt, fruits.
Could we put all of this? We got oranges, we got watermelon. And this would be quite good actually to have the kids making with you, because I know that my lot would love this.
Iechyd da, iechyd da.
That is well.
Come on Cymry, stopiwch bwyd o'r bin a cael Cymru i rhif 1 yn y byd.
Saving food from the bin is the top thing we can do.